If you love cold drinks, a countertop ice maker sounds pretty useful. But is the Midea ice maker actually worth your money? I decided to take a closer look. First, installation is very simple. You don't need a plumber. Just place the machine on a flat surface. Leave some space around it for airflow. Then plug it into a power outlet. Before making ice, you should clean the water reservoir. Add clean water up to the marked level. Then turn the machine on. Using it is also very easy. Choose your ice size if your model gives you that option. Then press the ice making button. That's basically it. After a few minutes, you should start seeing ice forming. The first batch may be smaller than expected. That's normal. As the machine keeps running, it can produce more ice. One thing I really like is the convenience. You don't have to keep filling traditional ice trays. You also don't need to wait hours for your freezer. The controls are simple. The machine is also fairly compact, so it can fit nicely on a kitchen counter, home bar, or office. But there are a few things to keep in mind. It does need regular cleaning. You also need to refill the water when the reservoir gets low. And don't expect it to replace a large freezer ice maker if you have a big household. So is the Midea ice maker worth it? For me, it makes sense if you want quick ice without complicated installation. It's easy to set up. It's simple to use. And it's convenient for everyday drinks. But if you rarely use ice, you probably don't need one. Overall, I'd say the Midea ice maker is a solid option for convenience. Just keep it clean, keep it filled, and it should be ready whenever you need that next cold drink.